Hey Ben, come over here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. Hi. How you doing? Hello. Hi. Mommy's not doing what you want me to. Here, what's this? What's this? What's this funny toy? Here, go over to Daddy. Go on. Go over there.
Yay!
Good boy. Hey Ben. Hey Ben.
Look at Mommy.
Benjamin.
You got my shoelace.
Oh.
He likes shoelaces.
What does Ben like? He likes Mr. Bear.
Oh, here comes the sit down.
Yay! He can go from crawling to sitting now. That's new today, in fact. Oh, this is his favorite new toy. The ball machine. Oh, but he's not going to the ball machine. Where are you going? Oh, to pick up this piece of thing. Hi. Okay.